So this is one of those cork top tables with the removable legs, the kind that you put a piece of glass over it and have a table skirt. I am going to paint the top here black. I'm just laying it down here with a very inexpensive paintbrush I got from the Dollar Tree. I love watching the transformation when you paint something, as you can already see the difference in the top just with this being black. Making sure to get the sides. Woohoo! Fun, fun! Now painting the legs. Painting the entire table black. Now for the book. Going to lay down some Mod Podge here. Placing a page from the book that I tore out and then also tore around the page to have rough edges. That's cool how that little piece tore. Using a piece of scrap wood that's just flat on one side to get out any bubbles. Just placing the pages of the book just how I see that they look cool. I bought this little red belt here from the thrift store that's made of leather. It cost 99 cents or less, as I can't remember if there was a sale that day at the thrift store. Taking my scissors and cutting it in half all the way down. If you do a lot of crafts, you want to invest in a really good pair of scissors that will cut through fabric and leather belts such as this easily. It is now in 2 parts. And now the width is going to be perfect to put on the side of this table. I'll save that buckle for another project. I'm back to start putting the belt on the table. I want the black edge to be at the top of the table and the light edge to be at the bottom. I'm starting out using the E6000 glue to adhere the belt onto the table. Pressing it in place. Giving it a good little rub to make sure that it is adhered. A little hot wax glue here at the very end where the 2 pieces of belt meet. As you can see, I changed from the E6000 to the hot glue. I am using this little measuring tape to mark out 2 3/4 to 3 inch marks by putting just a little dot on the leather and then using some brad nails to hammer the leather into the table, although it has been glued, just to make sure that it stays well adhered. And the bonus is I like the look of the nails in the leather on the edge of the table. Knock, knock, knock on wood. I'm just repeating this process all the way around the edge of the table. Now here where the 2 pieces of belt meet, I am putting a nail on each end, so these 2 nails will be close together. Just using my tweezers to get some of the glue that stuck onto the belt here. So remember the original look of this table? Well, now look at it. It's a unique piece with pages from a book. It is very small. It is portable. The legs come off, so this is a great table for small spaces. I just love how things work out that aren't planned because the color of this belt matches this chair perfectly. I definitely have to say this was a turnaround. It's poppin'. If you enjoyed this video, pop that subscribe button, like, and share. Thank you.